Next up here we've got the Jeep, and we'll go on start. This is terrible. Oh man, look at that. It's just doing nothing, it can't even start, the hell. Welcome back to the channel, and we got Marmalade the cat to help out as well. Right, well, I've saved you 5 minutes of mucking around because the original idea was to upgrade this Jurassic Park type themed truck because it was rubbish. It wouldn't stick to the ground very well, it wouldn't move very well on our gravelly and grassy surfaces. So I was going to put bigger tyres on it. I took the thing apart and unfortunately sort of grips the sides of the plastic, and these fenders here don't come off, so I thought, well, yeah, what can I do? Anyway, that was 5 minutes ago, as it were. What I've decided instead is to upgrade this, which has no circuit inside, but the tyres are quite nice and pliable, it's nice and light. It does need that back end putting on again, but I'm going to take the circuit off this one and put it in there. Now it also means the motors might be able to be changed as well, but I have a feeling that the motors on this one will be just as powerful as the rubbish ones on there. So next thing, take that circuit off and reroute the wires, and let's see what happens with this one. Also, there's a good thing about this one, the wires, it doesn't matter, but the wires are green and blue for the front motor, and here the wires are green and blue, so if they check out, that's just going to make it really easy for any maintenance in the future as well. On the back here we've got, what is it, brown and grey, but you know, there's even a brown wire for this one. I'm not sure what this little inductor's doing. I'm going to try it without. Anyway, oh, and that capacitor there. Very interesting. I'm going to take all this off and put it on that. The first thing I've done is to fix this back end. There's just a couple of clips on the inside there. Pushed it up and it's sat in. There's also a screw hole there which will keep everything better connected when the body goes on. If the body does go on, but it's not a bad one. I've also decided to ditch this little plastic piece as well, at least for the moment, and put the circuit in there. It seems like it should be a decent enough fit. We'll do this the usual blokey way of measuring things. It should fit. Alright, so here is the circuit, now off the other car, and let's just check. Yes, it does fit. However, we've got an on-off switch there, so I might mount it the other way up, make it flush there, and then what I'll do to use the car is I'll just take one of the batteries out, put it back in when I want to use it. That seems to be about the easiest way of doing things. Also, these wires are far too long now, so I'm going to trim those back. I will keep the bits on the ends. I mean, there's actual inductors for some purpose, but I'll keep them on, tidy stuff up, and the next time you see it, it should be connected. Right, well, I've made temporary connections in some places, and that's to the motors, because there's no point wiring them up if I don't know if they're going to go backwards or forwards. Also, there's another difference. This takes 3 AAs and that takes 4 AAs, so hopefully it'll still be alright. Now if I switch this on, because I'll use the switch inside, do we get anything at first? Try the steering. Nope. Hey, forward, backward. Nothing. Mind you, the light doesn't come on. Let me try changing the batteries. Right, so batteries changed, left and right. Oh, that's backwards. So, do we have forwards, and we're looking for it going that way? Nope, that one's backwards as well. Hey, but it works. So I'll swap those over and come back and try it again. Right, they're swapped, so we'll try again. Left, right, forwards and backwards. So, forwards, yep, backwards, yep, right. So, now what I can do is to shorten these wires up. I know which way they're going to go on, and then we should be ready for a test, an actual drive. there we go, the circuit's in place. It was really cool that I could actually press this in quite firmly, and it went between that part and that part, so it is held in securely. Really quite impressed with it. Yeah, all of the wires now shortened up, I've got bits together, and we'll give it a test then, just a final test to make sure it works as we expect. So left and right, left, right, forwards, hey, and backwards. Yeah, smashing. Right, I'll put the top of it on, take it outside to try it out. Okay, we're outside, and as I said earlier, I'll pop the battery in to switch it on. I've left that switch on the inside in the on position, so now it should be switched on and ready. Turn that on, and let's see how it drives. Oh yeah. Oh, it's capable. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Oh, it is far better than the other one. Now let's see how it does down here. Not bad at all. Well, I've been running around for a few minutes now. Yes, I'm quite pleased with it. It's only running on 4.5 volts, not 6, so I mean it could be more capable. But it's only a toy grade type thing anyway, with forwards, backwards, left and right. And it does fine. It does fine on this surface, which is what I wanted to fix about the Jurassic Park one. So yeah, that was great. Hope you enjoyed the process, and thanks very much for watching.